What is third-party car insurance? Car insurance in Lanzarote is pretty important, well, anywhere in the world really. Being able to pick up your car and take it to the road offers a fantastic feeling of freedom. I think we can all agree on that. But safety must always take precedence, and this involves taking out insurance. The minimum level of cover required by law is known as third-party car insurance. In Spanish, that's terceros. We've all seen or heard of this term, but do we actually understand the ins and outs of what it offers and or entails? Well, let's break it down in this video. Third-party insurance is an insurance policy purchased for protection against the claims of another. It basically makes sure your back is covered in the event someone files a claim against you because you caused an accident and or damaged their vehicle when driving. Sometimes getting your head around this terminology and scenario can be a little bit daunting. So, for the purpose of explanation in layman's terms, let's image the following. When parking your car, you smash into the bumper of the nearest vehicle, causing it to fall off. Poor disaster. Although, thankfully, there was no one in the other car at the time. The cost to repair someone else's vehicle has you a little bit spooked. But this is where your third-party car insurance comes into play, covering the cost to repair the damage you caused. Whew. You might think, but it's not as simple as it seems. In hitting the other car, you also severely scratched your rear bumper. The only problem now is that your basic third-party car insurance doesn't cover damage to your own vehicle. In this case, a more comprehensive insurance policy would be required. Third-party car insurance protects other cars from damage or accidents. Third-party car insurance covers against the following: compulsory civil liability. That's injuries incurred by a passenger in your car and or a driver of another car, i.e. the medical expenses they would have to pay be covered by your insurance. This also applies to material damage to the other person's car. Next we have voluntary civil liability. Extra third-party cover for the damages to the other driver and their car for compensation. Claims of up to 50 million euros or up to 70 million euros depending on the insurance company. Another one is personal damage. Medical care covered in the network of centres of the insurer. Another one is compensation in the event of death or permanent disability. We also have legal defence. Unlimited legal advice and defence in the event of going to court, as long as the insurer's legal team is used. If private defence is hired, up to 3,000 euros or 6,000 euros of legal expenses is actually provided, depending on the company. Another one to look at is fine management. So, get support for appealing traffic tickets, as well as administrative advice. And finally, road assistance, from the first kilometre 24 hours a day. So, is third-party car insurance for you? When taking out car insurance, we have various factors to think about and to be considered. Firstly, the age of your car. Secondly, the level of cover you require or desire. The amount you are willing to pay is also pretty important. So, take all these factors and weigh them up with the pros and cons of the different types of third-party car insurance. The following cover would not be included by a basic third-party car insurance, but in some cases you can add them on. We have protection against damage to your own vehicle. We have replacement vehicles, windscreen cover. Basic third-party car insurance could be a good option for anyone looking for a basic package who would claim for damages caused to another driver and their vehicle, but who wouldn't mind paying for the repair of their own car in the event of an accident. It could also be an option for drivers of older cars whose repair costs would be relatively low, who don't particularly want to pay that high premium. At C1 Broker, we have several options available. Third party, the minimum level of cover required by law. Next, third party with windscreen cover. And third party extended and comprehensive. So don't forget that third-party car insurance is the minimum level of cover required. My name is William Smith and I'm your insurance expert in Lanzarote. I'm with C1 Broker and we are an international insurance broker that work with more than 26 insurance companies in Spain and internationally. I will search and find the best and most affordable insurance without compromising any of those important covers. Visit me and my team in our office in Tías or drop me an email, give me a call. I will be delighted to attend you and help you look for the right insurance. Remember, in Lanzarote, insurance is William Smith at C1 Broker. All our contacts are here below, and if you like this type of content, help us out by hitting that like button and the subscribe button. See you next time.